Hello Foxtecc viewers, welcome back to our channel again where we try to bring you practical insights and tips. Today we're diving into a topic that some of you have asked about, and it is how to find the serial number of your AirPods. So let's just get right into it. So the first thing is that you have to do is to make sure that your AirPods are seamlessly connected to your iPhone. For example, in this case right here, it is showing me that these are not my AirPods. So I'm going to click on connect. And now, of course, I have to go through the process and hold down on the button right here and basically connect them. If for some reason you don't spot them here, head over to the Bluetooth section and tap on the AirPods panel, where essentially everything's going to be like connected. So I'm going to click on OK. Just skip the steps. I don't need serial or anything. And right now you can see that the AirPods are now officially connected. Now within the AirPods settings, you can scroll down until you reach a critical piece of information, which is going to be the serial number. And you're going to get there by clicking on the settings button right here, tapping on the Bluetooth, and going to the AirPods right here. But you can also find the AirPods right under your name, so go ahead and click on this. So here's where you can find some kind of settings of your AirPods, and you can scroll through the information. So here's the model name, model number, and the serial number as well. So this is what we wanted to. But there are also some more things. Once you've found your serial number, you can easily copy it by tapping on the option and selecting the copy. So if you hold down like this, you can see the copy shows up and you can copy it, paste it wherever you need and send it to someone, whatever is going on or the best option for you. So this nifty feature allows you to paste it wherever needed. So it's basically very simple, right? And before we conclude, there are some other things how you can check it out. Of course, we have, if you still have the box of your AirPods, like the original box where you purchased them, you can also find it right there on the packaging. So this should not be a problem. Chances are that you can also find it in the some kind of paperwork as well. But yeah, that's basically it. And before we wrap up, I want to take a moment to remind you about the Foxtecc educational platform. This is what it looks like. It is accessible by free. The link is going to be down below in the description. And there's a plethora of courses designed to enhance your tech knowledge. So check out the link right now. Thank you for tuning in. And if you found this video helpful, of course, don't forget to hit the like button and definitely subscribe to our channel for more content in the future. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.